Most people get this wrong and assume you can freely transfer vanilla gift card balance like a bank transfer. But here's the truth no one tells you. Vanilla gift cards are not designed for transfers at all, and that changes everything in 2026. In this video, you'll learn whether balance transfer is possible, why it usually fails, and what real options you actually have instead. Let's get straight into it. First, the simple answer. No, you cannot directly transfer balance from a vanilla gift card to another card, bank account, or wallet. These cards are prepaid Visa or MasterCard products, and they are designed for spending only, not moving money around. Now here's where people like Alex get confused. They think because it has a card number, expiration date, and CVV, it should work like a debit card. But it doesn't. It is a closed prepaid system with strict rules. But here's the problem. Many websites and videos online suggest workarounds, and most of them are outdated or risky. In 2026, payment systems are even stricter, and fraud detection is stronger than ever. Now here's where it gets interesting. While direct transfer is not possible, there are limited legal ways to indirectly use the balance more flexibly. For example, you can use the card to purchase items online and then resell those items for cash. John used this method by buying digital game credits and selling them through safe marketplaces. It is not instant transfer, but it is one of the only realistic options. Another option is combining partial payments. Some merchants allow split payments, where you use your vanilla card for part of the purchase and another payment method for the rest. This helps you fully utilize small leftover balances. But be careful. Many users try to use third-party transfer apps or websites that promise to convert gift card balance into cash instantly. Most of these are scams or violate card terms, and they can lead to blocked funds. Also important, once a vanilla gift card is used, the remaining balance is tied to that original card. There is no internal wallet system to move funds between cards. So what should you do instead? The smartest approach is to spend the card strategically. Use it for everyday online purchases, subscriptions that accept prepaid cards, or low-risk transactions where it is widely accepted. Now let's quickly summarize. Vanilla gift card balance cannot be transferred directly. Any claims saying otherwise are misleading. Your real options are spending it online, using split payments, or carefully converting purchases into usable value. The key takeaway is simple. Treat vanilla gift cards as spending tools, not transfer tools. If this cleared up your confusion, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more real-world gift card guides and fixes in 2026.